People who come in to see me who are having financial difficulty often have some worries about what would happen if they file a bankruptcy case that are really troubling them. Some of these worries are unfounded, and there are three common worries that we can deal with that are not going to be as big a problem as clients think they might be. The first concern is that if they file bankruptcy, that the person who files bankruptcy is going to lose all the property that they own. That's not true. The bankruptcy code contains protections for property that you own to ensure that you can keep your house, keep your car, and keep almost all of your personal property. In most cases, you're going to be able to keep all of your personal property. If you cannot, if all of your assets are not protected, you should know that you have an option in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy that will allow you to retain all the personal property you own. There is no such thing as non-exempt property in a Chapter 13. So worrying about losing your property is usually an unfounded worry. The second concern that people have is that by filing bankruptcy, they will impair their credit for a long period of time. Now, no one should misunderstand the fact that filing a bankruptcy is a negative credit event. But you should also understand that for many people, filing a bankruptcy will enhance their ability to improve their credit in the future. Bankruptcy filings are reported for credit purposes for 10 years. But the reality is that for between 80 and 90% of our clients, their credit score will be higher 1 year after they file their bankruptcy case than their credit score was the day before they filed. Why is that? Well, one of the main components of a credit report and a credit score is the ratio that individuals carry between the income that they earn and the debt that they owe. If you file bankruptcy and receive a bankruptcy discharge, thus eliminating most of your debt, your income to debt ratio will straighten out and you'll be more creditworthy, not less creditworthy. So as I said, for most clients, they're going to see an increase in their credit score a year after they filed than they had right before they filed. The third concern people have is that the filing of a bankruptcy will be well publicized, and that's really not the case. If you have a consumer bankruptcy case, your name will not appear in any papers, certainly no papers locally. There will be no publicity at the courthouse that you filed a bankruptcy case. The only place that the notice of bankruptcy will appear is at the bankruptcy court website on the internet. If someone wants to search for you as to whether or not you filed a bankruptcy, if they go to the bankruptcy court website, they'll have to pay to find you. So for most people in this embarrassing situation, they need to know that their case will not be publicized, and the people who do not need to know about their bankruptcy case, their friends, their relatives, etc., will not find out. You might have other concerns, things that are troubling you, worries about what would happen to you if you file bankruptcy. Let's work through those. If you have questions about your financial situation, please feel free to come in to see us. Sit down for a free initial consultation. Let's see whether we can help you.